Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have the YYCAMUS and it is a mini body camera. So let's check this thing out here. It says for personal use in police or whatever. So if you know what a body camera is, it's like those chest cameras that the police wear. So my goal is to keep this kind of somewhat neat and clean while I'm opening it up due to the fact that it's very windy here. So this is what the camera looks like here. It's got the little camera screen there, which is going to be able to rotate so you can face it whichever way you want. So that's cool. It's got a little protective cover over the lens, not anymore, and over the screen. So let's take those out here. There we go. Okay, so that is all off. Okay, so now we have the camera. Looks like it's going to have USB-C charging on the bottom. So let's see what other components are in the box here. Okay, so I'm going to grab everything out of the box here and try to squeeze this. Let's see. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay, so in there we have our user manual. We have a little pin tool. I guess that's going to be to remove the SIM card or the micro SD card. It comes with a 64 gig micro SD card. Put those things in my pocket as we go. We have our USB connector, which will fit the little SIM card, the SD card in it. We have our charging adapter, and then we have our clip, so we can clip it onto ourselves. So if we wanted to have it as a clip-on mount, I'm guessing we would just do this, clip it on. Oh, it's even got a little screw mount, so we can put it on a tripod. But I could clip this on wherever I wanted to. I could put it through a lanyard or a belt, the chest strap, but let's just go ahead and stick this on me here, there, like this, and so I can just have it like that as I'm doing whatever. I could even be making some videos and be doing the hand things with it, like here. It's got a lot of different uses. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this out of the little dock for right now, because I'm sure we're going to need it out to put in our card and everything. Okay, so here we go. So it looks like there is our little port to put our micro SD card in. So let's try that out here. That is not it. Put everything in my pocket. It's a matter of finding it. Okay, so here we go. Hope it doesn't blow away. It's very windy. Okay. So here we go. So it looks like it's just going to go in that way there. And I have a little bit of a nail, so I didn't need to use the pin tool, so that was good. And then it looks like we have a power button on the front here. So we'll see if there's any power on it when it starts, and it does. It says welcome. And then there we are. So is that showing the camera? It is. That's showing me upside down. Hey, look at that. How cool is that? Okay, so let me show you guys this way. So this is me in the camera. That's got a really nice picture. It really does. Surprisingly good. If I show myself here, it's upside down. I could probably hit the buttons to reset it to a different size. But then on the M here, I could change my resolution, my image size, image rotation, video coding, motion detection. Oh, that's a good to have, so then you can just have it so it only goes on with motion. You can change the language. English, it's already set, so we're good. You can do covert mode. I'm not sure what that is. We have an IR switch, loop recording, exposure, volume, LCD auto off, auto power off, personal ID, device ID, date and time. We can format our drive and whatever else. So let's just see if we push back out to there. Oh, so yeah, I push that to record. So now it says it's recording. So we are going to do a little recording of ourselves here. I don't see exactly what's happening, but hopefully in one of these corners here, I'm showing you the video of me saying this stuff. So how cool is that? Very cool, nice little camera, and I love the way it has a screen on it, so you can just review the footage right there. It's great to have, if you get pulled over, from a traffic violation or something like that, you can be recording everything as you're going. You could be using it for anything, just anytime shopping in a store or whatever you want. Anytime you're worried about security or anything like that, you can have this. So it's very cool. And let me see, I push this again now, and now it stopped recording. So just a great little device. It looks cool, and you'll see the quality of it up in the corners. So I'm going to give this one a thumbs up. Very nice.